Welcome back, and following my last video and the InstaWP mapping of domains, I've created a new version of the script linked below in the description for handling multiple domains and Cloudflare zone IDs. The script is designed to be expandable. In this demonstration, I'll be using a version with 4 domains and 4 keys, but it can be less, more or less. So we will generate a basic blank InstaWP site to start. This is one of my configurations. It's irrelevant, but this is what we start with. We'll create a site. And once that's complete, we will click on the 3 dots here and scroll down to map domain. Then we will head over to our command prompt. As for last time, I've already added the bat file to my path directory on Windows 11, and in this case, I've called it map. So I type map, and the script runs. I will select domain 3 in this example and go through the mapping process, which is identical to the previous video and will be on subdomain video 2. We will then head over to InstaWP, type that into our domain name to map, which is WPTV UK. And while we're here, we'll copy this because we'll need it for our next step, which we will paste into here. It will ask us if that's all correct, which it is. It will run, it will create the script, and as it's a new zone ID, it will create the CNAME record for us. That's all complete. We now head back to InstaWP, push map domain, which is our video 2, to our CNAME. InstaWP will start to map that domain, and if everything's gone okay, it will successfully map that domain. Now we just need to wait for it to stop spinning here in the corner. This can take a few minutes. It all depends how busy InstaWP's systems are. And when it's finished, it isn't necessarily all finished. It could still be running SSL in the background. But when it's mapped, we will visit our new subdomain and see if we can see our InstaWP site. Now that's just said up here in the top corner that the site domain has been added. We'll follow that through. SSL is still not done, so we won't do anything with that for a second. We'll give it a few more seconds, or one more try, and then if that isn't the case, we will bypass the SSL and view it without SSL. Okay, it's still not done. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll pause the video for a second and come back to it when the SSL is done. And a few more seconds have passed, and it is now mapped. So if we follow through, and we are mapped to our wonderful domain. Obviously, this domain is all set up now to work on our new CNAME mapped domain. This is set within the site itself, and in fact, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll log into InstaWP and we'll magic log in to our new site, and you can see that we are on that domain. And if we go to our settings, we are all here. The domain has all been set. It's just the site name that's still there. And that is it. That is how we map our multiple domains using the bat script. The bat script is totally expandable. You can have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 domains, no problem whatsoever. This is for people that have multiple domains, that want to map multiple domains quickly and easily from their command line, and speed up their InstaWP workflow. Thank you.